exception handling in the programming. What is exception handling in the programming? Well, when you declare variables in the program, like integer ABC, float ABC, double XYZ, beware that each variable has a range. And what's happened when the calculation result jumps out of the range of a variable, CPU raises a flag. It's up to the computer system how to handle the exceptions. Like usually, CPU causes the interrupt and save the variables in the stack and jump to the exception handling routine. This is advanced programming. Okay, the simple exception like divided by 0 is detected at the compilation stage and let the program knows to correct it. But however, integer becomes too large. For web server and also real-time programming, this exception handling is very complicated. The scientific calculation, we usually search for the exception warning and correct the program and rerun. But the web server and real programming, you don't have that luxury to do that. So if you ignore exception, the result will be garbage in, garbage out. What kind of number range we have? 32-bit system integer. The maximum integer number is like this value. It's not that much. When you do federal government financial, it's too small. It's need to go trillions. So this is integer 0, and the largest negative number is larger by 1 if you compare. Okay, so 32-bit float is a floating point system. Floating point has sign bit and 8-bit of exponential, and the details ABCD is 0.ABCD, 23-bit of detail value. So exponent is 8-bit, so the smallest number is 10 to the minus 127, and largest number is 10 to the 128. If the calculation value become smaller than this, then it's underflow exception happen. And if larger than this, it's going to be overflow exception. Okay. So in the 32-bit system double, it's a double floating point system. The exponential part is expanded to 11-bit, and details is 53-bit. Usually this is used to get more details, accurate result, but it also has the advantage of having a wide exponent range. Okay, so the smallest number is 10 to the 102. Actually, it's a 4, and the largest is plus 102 3. Okay, so let's see, I made a mistake here. Here the smallest, it should be 8, and the largest to be 7. Okay, so this is the range of the number you should be aware. If it's smaller than this number, it's going to be underflow, and if larger than this, it's going to be overflow. So what's happened to the exception handling? Integer, beware, like a federal financial figures or number of characters you're counting, or a large counting program. The floating point, just about any scientific calculation, may overflow and underflow. And the advanced programmers should pay attention to this and handle the exception. Otherwise, the program result can be garbage in, garbage out. Okay. Thank you for listening to this program. If you like it, please find other videos and click subscribe.